What is going on, guys? It is time to talk Whoop Band in 2025. It is currently the end of February and we have been using it now for a couple months, and I do have to say this was a great commitment moving away from the Oura Ring to the Whoop Band for a number of different reasons, some I've already talked about. If you've missed that video, this is more of a personal preference. The Oura Ring was great for what it did, and it did do a lot very well. However, I didn't personally like the ring. It kept getting in the way of activities I was doing. With the Whoop Band, since you don't have to have it on a finger, it is more out of the way and more of a better convenience for day-to-day wearing, including for sleep tracking. Now, this will obviously vary depending on your personal preference. However, this was one of our deciding factors of pulling away from it. One downside is the cost of the membership here. You are going to pay about double from what you were paying for the Oura Ring. However, for the data set that you get, it is very well organized and very actionable, which I feel is a huge benefit for anybody trying to improve on their health or just sleep schedule. Having said that, we have been pleasantly surprised with the app itself and everything it offers. Let's jump right into it. First things first, I'm going to talk about probably one of the most underrated features here with this, and that is exactly how you charge this band. Whoop has made it and really designed and encouraged not taking this off, even when you need to charge your band. It does come with this charging puck right here, and it simply does slide right over your band like that to encourage wearing it even when charging. The actual charging puck itself is waterproof, or I should say water resistant, and this is not something you'll probably want to wear out of the house, although you can, because it looks something like a wrist monitor or ankle monitor, I guess you can say. But for sitting around, recovering from a workout or something like that, or just relaxing, not having to take it off to charge is a huge benefit. I did have an issue quite a few times, and maybe it's just me, but when I had the Oura Ring, I would forget to put it back on while it was on the charger, so I'd go out or be active without it, and it wouldn't fully track everything needed. So, not here nor there for a lot of people maybe, but I do think this is a huge improvement over any other sort of charger that might be in existence. Another area that I think really comes in handy is just how well Whoop has made its ecosystem for different varieties of bands or even articles of clothing. So we all know by now you can choose from a variety of different bands, of different materials, different clasp colors, and this is an awesome addition if you are looking to customize and make the device yours. If you don't even want to wear it on your body, say for instance directly on your skin with a band, you have articles of clothing like underwear and other sporting attire, including wetwear if you're swimming or surfing, or things of that nature, that this actually does work with. The beauty of that is, thanks to this being the brain, just this little black box here, this rectangle, everything else can come off, and you can just attach that to your body and get all of your readings as needed straight from this. I think that's very neat. I think it's very friendly and helpful. I also do like, even though it is a little finicky, that you can simply double tap and get your battery indicator on the side just like that. I think that is very useful for some people to have a good gauge on where your battery's at without having to launch the app. But the app is definitely going to be your number one source for all things Whoop, including, like we just talked about, battery life. Beyond that, more importantly, is the data set that you'll get and the way it's outlined for recovery, heart rate variability, strain level, and sleep performance. It's all very usable data here and easy to see. And if you want to take a deep dive into your health monitoring with the main 5 metrics, you can simply click into here and jump into, hypothetically, your respiratory range, as you can see, and actually see exactly what's good, bad, or medium of the pack here. Same with your blood oxygen level, and you can easily see all these actionable metrics. As you can tell right here, it already knows it's off body, and you will get a notification from that shortly, reminding you to put it back on. You have all of your sleep performance, which is one of my important things that I actually like tracking more so. It gives you a full breakdown of your REM sleep, your deep sleep, light, and how much time you're awake. And again, all of these are more actionable to click on REM to get a better breakdown throughout your evening sleep schedule, and then to see your efficiency to gather more data here. So again, really like this app. We've already done a deeper dive in regards to this, so I don't want to spend too much time talking about it on this video, but it does encourage one other aspect of journaling, asking you about what you did the day before every time you open the app the next day.
So again, you can see your dashboard for a quick glance, your stress monitoring, your strain recovery. There's just so much data here. I really do like it. You can have your own community or join another one if you want to really compete with other people or really see how your friends are doing. You can cheer them on, do things of that nature, and then obviously have everything else in the app as well. But we have been pleasantly surprised now for a while with just how thorough this band is. Again, there is no shortage right now of competitors out there, but this style has been great. So again, really good if you're looking to get into fitness or sleep tracking. This is the way to go. We'll throw those affiliate links up down below. If you want to get one, you can get yourself, I think, a free month if you use one of those affiliate codes and purchase the band through Whoop. But let us know what you guys think. Have you been using these for a while? Do you appreciate this design over a ring? I'm genuinely curious what you guys like. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.